Hi guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making a fruit cake. Since Christmas is just around the corner, this cake is great to enjoy with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get baking! To make the dry fruit mixture, we will need half a cup of raisins. I'm using a mix of golden and black raisins, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of dried apricots that have been chopped, half a cup of dried plums that have been chopped, half a cup of chopped dates, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of water, half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and the zest of 1 orange. The ingredients that we need that are going to be mixed into the dry fruit mixture are 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of tutti frutti or candied peels, 2 eggs, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The first thing that we will do is take a large pot and add in the dry fruits. So add in the raisins, the cranberries, the plums, the dates, and the apricots. Then we will add in the light brown sugar, the butter, the spices, the orange zest, the orange juice, and the water. And then we will cook this on medium heat until it comes to a boil. Make sure to stir this every few seconds. As you can see, the dry fruit mixture has come to a boil. So now we'll turn off the heat, set it aside, and let it cool for around 15 minutes. While your dry fruit mixture is cooling, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and butter a loaf pan and then line it with parchment paper. You can use any pan you want, but fruitcake is traditionally made in a loaf pan. Once the dry fruit mixture has cooled, we will add in the vanilla extract and the candied peels or tutti frutti. And then we will fold this in. Then we will crack the eggs and whisk them well. And then we will pour it into the bowl. And fold this in. And then we will sift together the all-purpose flour and the baking soda. And then we will add it in to the mixture. And then fold it in. Make sure that you do not use an electric mixer because then the cake will not have the texture of the dry fruits. This is what the cake batter should look after it has been mixed. Once the batter is ready, we'll pour it into the pan. Make sure that you do not overfill the pan. Once you have put the batter in the pan, we will bake it for around 55 to 60 minutes or until a knife or toothpick inserted comes out clean. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Have a great Christmas and see you in the next video.